Hey everybody, myself Gopal Saradi. I'm currently in fourth year of the BTech Computer Science CSE at Bent University, Greater Noida. So today I'm going to present about my internship experience with onSolve on the moveinsync. So introduction and background. So moveinsync began as a SaaS solution in an employee transportation system. So it was founded in 2009 with the Nexus Venture partners and Qualcomm Ventures as investors. So moveinsync works with 35 plus Fortune 500 companies, making it one of the most prestigious firms in the world. So our team has launched with the new product called Working Sync. It's an office management solution that provides the clients with the hybrid workspaces. With OnSolve, it's a platform for critical event management which mitigates and strengthen the organization resilience pinpoint and respond to the threats that impact our people on the places and property quickly, accurately, and reliably. So automatically sends the updates for the content information through the seamless integration of notification and alerting features. And it also has some robust APIs to synchronize our data and eliminate the. So the problem statement and the project statement is to ensure our source code is optimized, clean, and stable, and to catch the tricky bugs and errors. So we'll be able to make this free to create a better experience for the users. And also one of them is to usage of the localization in apps to help them meeting the needs of current clients and attracting customers from different countries, and also to ensure the compliance and safety with the dynamic policies can no longer be managed with the traditional pen and paper digital management. So increasing trend of the hybrid workplaces with the remote first employees has further added to the planning time required to host in-person clients and visitors. The clients can purchase and manage a subscription of the app directly from Microsoft Teams. So the Microsoft team will be manage the all the subscription details and all the employment on the employee details and promotes our application to our clients. From the onSolve project statement is to create a full stack application that solves the people management problem. So the main challenge of the problem is to create a full production ready app that runs on AWS deployment cloud services. So for the front end, we need to use the React JS, and for the back end, we need to use the ASP.NET Core. So there should be some database kind of thing with such as the relation database, which we have to use the Postgres one, and we have to also write some new test cases for both front end and back end technologies. Additionally, the challenge is to make the services into so the proposed solution and contribution in the moving is to use the tool called SonarQube, which analyzes the code and help in optimizing which makes the code done like error free to use as the combined solution. So we also for the localization problem we need to use like local test holder on the dispatch servlet in the Spring framework. These messages will pick from the dot properties files from the resource bundle message source, so that which was sent from the app or the website. So we can also enable localization disabled by configuring the properties in console application. So once the employee invites a visitor through the browser, a email will be triggered from the backend and passes to the Kafka stream, which dynamically provides the data to the email template. Of the application on the image streams is the way to maintain a good experience with our clients. And one of the proposed solutions is to create a SaaS offer with the Microsoft Partner Center, which includes the organization details for the onboarding guide and the price and subscription details. It has been implemented with the SSO, which was service just like the OAuth2, with the Spring libraries and register an application on Azure for the authorizing user. We have created a landing page on which the client can be onboarded post subscription in the offer, fetching the subscription details in the pending operation using the Microsoft Fulfillment APIs and Microsoft Operation API and store them in the database. So we also exposed a webhook which will be called from the Microsoft to inform the SaaS application when the client manages the subscription. And I also made like migration from the existing database to the new database, such as from the Cosmos DB, which divert messages from the OTP sending like services with the supporting the backward. It's on one, I created 3 to 4 pages like each action for the each page, like adding people, editing people, deleting people in the front end. The landing page has the main table that has row records, and each row has the two actions such as edit people and delete people. So performing these actions actually hit the backend APIs and reflects in the local DB database table. In the backend, I have created APIs for corresponding the people model in the database. I have used code first approach, and each API has the functionality like get, post, and put and delete requests. And each API will return the custom response template, which has some status code for the 201, 204, or 4 and the action for the request. So it also some has the data attribute which provides the data such as for the post request. For each API, I have created the unit test cases which handles the multiple edge cases. Timeline of the project is for the optimizing code user using the Sonar Cube which has been done in September 2021, sorry, and the localization of the app and the both dev testing and staging testing has been done in the October to November 2021. The visitor management was very big. It was continued from the all the seminars with Microsoft team and all those. And coming to the onSolve, the training has with the .NET Core, React JS, and Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS technologies has been done in the March 2022. For the I've been creating front end with React JS and back end with the ASP.NET Core in the April. For writing both unit test cases for the front end, back end, and the AWS deployment along April 2022. These are tools on technologies I have used for this one, like Java 8 Spring Framework, REST APIs for the both one, PostgreSQL for the DBMS, the Kafka Streams, Docker and Docker Compose, Sonar Cube for the fixing the error bugs, and the Jira for the product management, ASP.NET Core, and the backend APIs, React JS for the front end, and the Microsoft for the visual management, and the ASP.NET mock queue, which will be used for the unit test cases. So these are the challenges which I have mostly faced while solving these problems. Like one of the bugs are more difficult and more recurrent and repetitive one. So I need to compromise the functionality of the code in order to solve them. If they have some point. When the location is disabled, the app will be sending different locale, causing us to intent message due to the location problem. So signing out the user and redirecting the landing page when email purchase and the login with access are different during the purchasing the subscription on Microsoft app or Microsoft Teams. So learning new technology within the 2 weeks was very challenging, and the learning curve was at the same time because these are new to me, and there are different Docker command. It was very difficulty. And when coming to the full stack app, handling different projects with the development and deployment gives you more learning and experience, and also for the same with the writing front-end unit test cases. These are the results of the app. For the onSolve, I have some company wants you to time by the demo. I will be sharing those. So these are the mentor details on the offer letter. So at the moveinsync, Kumar Mode was my mentor. Was a technical lead at the moveinsync company. He was very supportive throughout the entire process. And onSolve, my mentor was this Snowber Anthony. He was also technical lead and technical architect at the company. onSolve. He was also very supportive throughout the journey. Thank you.